Allegedly, it's because the genetic stock was beginning to degrade, and the change of dogma and finances and willingness of the Kaminoans to support the Empire, and they just had to destroy the entire cloning facility. And yeah, they needed people they could control more. Like Order 66 never happened. What? No, it doesn't make sense. Honestly. In universe, it does not make sense. Kind of discuss it, yeah, and it's a stretch. It's all a stretch. It's always been a stretch. I appreciate Filoni attempting to make some sense of it. He did his best. Unfortunately, you need a whole lot of plot armor to cover a hole that big. That's not a Disney thing.
Thanks, Jay. Appreciate that.
That's not a Disney thing. That's a Lucas thing, in fact. Ming-Na Wen's character gets a hairpiece. Fennec Shand. Well, she gets her helmet here, so probably doesn't get her hairpiece. with our luck. Lost too many clones to degradation and destruction. Yeah, it still doesn't make sense. None of the possible explanations hold up to critical challenge. No. I'm saying that's pre-Disney. All that madness that I'm talking about there is not Disney. They've tried to make it better during the Disney time. I understand that you're a Disney hater. You're very, which is fine. But you're very cynical about many things. I get that. But I am openly offering an attempt at balance by focusing on reality with a little bit less rage in my heart. There are many things in the Disney era that I don't like. There are many things in the pre-Disney era that I don't like, but I'm still a Star Wars fan through and through, in spite of it all. And I prefer to be happy than mad at all things. But I can still be unhappy with some things without saying, oh, well, you know, it's Kathleen Kennedy's fault. Can always add a storyline of rebels destroying the cloning facilities, but no, it was the Empire that destroyed the cloning facilities. That's already in the show. They showed the destruction up close. I'm building a Bad Batch set. So many people don't know what happened. Like, that's the entire show, exactly. But it's all good though. It's all good. Not everybody has time to watch all things. Cost Emperor not wanting to be beholden to an alien race for his forces. Being the species is to us. No clue what we're talking about. Just came here for Lego and a good time. Right on. Right on. It's all good. Rebels acting as a false flag. Follow the credits. Everyone forgets Kathleen Kennedy worked at Lucasfilm for years, closely alongside George, and was handpicked by him to be his successor. Using her as a scapegoat for all the things she disliked isn't going to change that. Well, you're just an apologist. You're You drank